All right, Applied Tech Math. Here we are with your e-learning assignment for Tuesday, February the 18th. All right, so it's going to be 10 points, 10 questions, 10 points. When I see you again, you're going to turn this in. If you have another one tomorrow, then you just turn in 2. All right, so like 5 out of 11 of us did this the last time. Some of us can't afford any more zeros. So you write down the question as you see it. Most of the time, the question is written in black with the answer in blue. All right, so pause this if you need to get all those numbers in. With the late call of an e-learning day here, you are the first of 4 videos that I'm making. All right, so we have the numbers 77, 83, 68, 82, 64, 91, and 59. Find the median and the range of those numbers. Median, put them in order. I almost made a boo-boo. That's why pencil's the best. All right, so you got 59, you got 64. 68, 77, 82, and 83. That is the order. You have 7 numbers, which means you have a true middle. The median is 77. Now the range is the high minus the low, and they're right next to each other. The range is 32. Again, if you need to pause this to get this down, go ahead. I'm going to kind of move a little quickly. Next question is number 2. Find the mean of just those 5 numbers. 79, 83, 76, 84, 72. Let's pretend they're grades on a test. You have 5 tests. Add them up. Divide by 5. All right, when you add them up, you get 394. I believe 394 divided by 5 is 78.8. 78.8. Again, pause this if you need to have that down. So let's pretend for number 3 that you're going to take 6 tests in a particular semester, and this person's very close to an 80. What do they need to get on the 6th test to achieve an 80%? So that's question 3 here from the previous 5 test scores. What would you need to earn on the 6th test to achieve 80% average? So you got 6 tests. You want an average in 80. 6 times 80. You need 480 points. The previous sum was 394. So you take what you need minus what you got, and that's the score you need to get on that 6th test in 86. All right, next up, number 4. You completed 1/3 of a job Monday and 2/5 of a job Tuesday. How much is left? 1/3 plus 2/5. 1/3 plus 2/5. All right, so let's figure out how much you've got done. 1/3 is 5 over 15. 2/5 is 6 out of 15. That is 11 out of 15. That is done. Think of this job as 15 parts. 11 are done. 4 more parts need to be finished, are left. And that's how you get that. 4 out of 15 left. Now, whenever I see you again, we're going to finish the game plan 5-1 to 5-4, okay? Then we'll look at the quiz review, but we're going to finish that very quickly whenever I see you again, which is in your email, which you should be checking. You have a room that is 27 feet long and 13 feet wide, plus an entryway that is 8.5 feet long by 4 feet wide. New carpet will cost $3.95 per square foot to put down. What is the total cost? Now, I have no idea what carpet costs, so I just made that number up. All right, but the area room here, let's kind of look in our basement here, just doing some, you walk down from the stairs, you got a little piece right there. It's a rectangle, but it's not the same length and width as this room is. So area is 27 by 13 plus that little spot there, 8.5 by 4. You have an area of 385 square feet. So the cost is going to be 385 times $3.95 per square foot, and that is $1,520.75. All right. And, just be on the safe side. You might want to get 10% more of that. So maybe you're going to make an order of about $420 or so. All right. Just in case you need extra or you make a boo-boo. All right. Next page. Again, we're halfway through here. You're going to have 10 questions total. You get time and a half for over 40 hours of work, and your wage is $22.40 an hour. You worked 47.2 hours last week. What is your gross pay? What is your gross pay? 40 hours times $22.40 an hour. All right, So that's your regular pay. Now your overtime rates is 1.5 times your regular pay. That's $33.60. $33.60 for 7.2 hours. $241.95 plus your regular pay. Add that up. Just over $1,100 there. All right. That is number 6. Now on 7, I got to help you out here. All right. Start with a $100 stock. Let's say 1 year it goes up 40%, 1 year goes down 50, 1 year goes up 30, or shoot, maybe within a month. That'd be pretty volatile there, though. All right, so if it goes up 40%, that's like a bonus. So then it's at 140. Then it goes down 50%, so it's half of what it was. Now we're at 70. So then it goes up 30%. So 1.30 times 70 is 91. So it's $91 now. And the reason is it took a big hit when the base here, when that value was much higher. So that's what really hurt it. Really hurt it. All right, so it's actually lost 9%. Lost 9%. $91 now. You average 280 miles driving a week, and you get 31 miles per gallon. If gas will average 290 or $2.90 this year, that's a big difference. How much were you paying gas? Let's assume just 52 straight weeks. Okay. So figure out how many miles you're driving. That's 52 times 280. 52 times 280 is 14,560. How many gallons are you going to need roughly? Divide that by 31, so 469.68. And we take how many gallons multiplied by the average price of gas, $1,362.07. Okay. 2 more questions. Again, you're going to turn this in when I see you. Going to turn this in. We did a pretty good job. Well, we did 5 out of 11. I was thinking of a different class. So no, that's not a very good job. So let's do better on that. All right. So the average high, this kind of looks like this week here, huh? 17, 18, 15, 12. It might be a little warmer. So we're going to add those up and divide by 5. Let's add these together. So that's 35, 50, 62, 83. 83 divided by 5 is an average high. 16.6, an average low. It's -5, -9, -7 over 5 is an average low of -1.4 degrees. Chilly. It's an average range of 18 degrees from low to high. All right, folks, last one. Just a little order of operations here. So you're going to start with this. What is 3 times 59 minus 24 minus the difference of 7 and 10. So order of operations says handle what's inside the parentheses first. It's going to be 35, and that's going to be -3. 3 times 35 is 105. To subtract a negative is to add. That's 108. 108. All right, that is your in-class, or that is your assignment. All right, so just think of it like a Friday assignment early, which means, on Friday we might do something else, and we'll be in touch. Check your email, folks. This is Yak Math Videos signing out.